How you doing, class? My name is Justin Pierre, and today's topic is about culture. Many different people have their own definitions of the word culture, but the true definition is a unique combination of rituals, religious beliefs, and a way of thinking. The video that I watched, which is a TV show called Outsource, is about a main character named Todd. Todd is originally from the US and now is a boss over in India at a business. Todd made two mistakes during this video, which is cultural shock and cultural value. Todd proceeds to put on a video about sexual harassment at work. Todd made sure to inform everybody that if they feel that they are being sexually harassed at work, that they can send a case to corporate and the case will be dealt with. Todd gets a case about him sexually harassing one of the employees at his job. Todd then goes around to find out who sent the case so he can find out what was the problem. As soon as Todd found out who the person was, he then apologizes for anything that he did wrong and he will never do it again. As soon as that was done, Todd proceeds to do what the employee took as sexually harassment, which is touching on the shoulder. In India, it is a sign of disrespect to touch another person on the shoulder. Todd did not know that, so the employee then sends another case to corporate so they can deal with it. Todd then willingly wants to figure out what was the problem, what did he do wrong. So Todd asks another employee, like, I touched an employee on the shoulder and he wants to know about like what was the problem. They explain to him it's a sign of disrespect and that he is not supposed to do that to any person because they feel uncomfortable with it. And that is the exact definition of cultural shock. It's when you feel is when you encounter something that's very unnormal to you, like a different culture, which Todd is from America and he does not know nothing about the culture in India. That was his first mistake. The second mistake is called cultural values. The definition of cultural values is shared values, beliefs, and attitude amongst a group of people. What Todd did to apologize to everybody again that he would never touch anybody is he grabbed the Indians people's statue, which is a representation of their gods, and he's playing with it, slapping his face with it, trying to apologize in a friendly manner. Someone then tells Todd, "Hey, that's one of our gods," and they're taking that as a sign of disrespect because he's playing around with it, not taking their belief very serious. Todd then apologizes again for the fact that he disrespected their gods. At that point, Todd understands that not everything that he sees in America is the same as seeing in India. So then he then takes precaution in everything that he does. In conclusion, it's very important to know where you're going and to know everything about that place that you're going to just in case you encounter something like Todd did so you won't have to make that mistake. Thank you very much.